Oh.
And the first thing they hear is my laugh, probably. Okay. So, multiplayer, custom games. What kind of game do we want to play? Just a regular team. And the first thing they hear is my laugh, probably.
New York.
Lots happening. We're just have to redo this. But there's the audio test right there. Hang on. Sorry about that. We're testing. Oh, doesn't matter. You're not watching right now. Okay.
So do you want to just do team deathmatch?
I want to go to the training world. I forgot about the lag.
A training world is do you want to do team deathmatch in the training world?
Okay. The training world just has one long walking pad.
What?
You've never seen that?
No.
Okay. Okay, this is an audio test. This is Meek.
This is an audio test, and this is Mert. Well, it was hearing us fine a minute ago. Oh. Test again.
Test again.
Test again. Yeah, it's got like a 30-second lag.
I know.
Test again.
Fuck. Did you hear how loud I am? You're like, test again? And I'm like, test again? Fuck. Did you hear how loud I am? And you're like, test again? And I'm like, test again? You're gonna have to talk some more because you're too low. You're gonna have to talk some more because you're too low. That always
started an echo because now it's feeding through. Don't delete this video. This is the epitome of stupidity. Now it's
I'm actually crying because I'm laughing so hard.
Now it's feeding through. Don't delete this video. This is the epitome of stupidity. Now there's a lot of freaky shit you can do with that, though. Aw, don't pause. You're not loud enough, so you're gonna have to.
Oh, wait, okay. Maybe I'm louder now because I put it closer.
You're not loud enough, so you're gonna have.
Is it louder now?
I'm the loudest. That's not gonna work.
Maybe tilt it further away.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna keep echoing the feedback. That was like this is a 30-second lag. Oh, that's amazing. I can't wait to think of creative things to just fuck around with doing that. Just amazing. Oh, you have to, seriously, that lag may be the most brilliant. Stop sniffing so loud. It sounds like shh in my mic.
I'm sorry. I have allergies.
In my ear. Did you just do that?
Yeah.
I missed you do that over there?
I think it's paused again though.
I'm gonna mute mine, and we need to work on yours.
What should I say? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Pause the stream, make you refresh. Amazon is brilliant. They're just brilliant.